Okay, so in this video, I will discuss about the amortization and how to create an amortization schedule. Okay, so for example, a car on sale costs 1,850,000 pesos and it requires a 15% down payment if purchased on an installment basis. The remaining balance will be paid at 6% interest for 5 years compounded monthly. Okay, so let us analyze the given situation. So the original price of the car is 1,850,000 pesos. Pero kailangan nating mag-down ng 15%. Okay, 15% ng original price. And then, yung remaining balance or yung matitira doon once na tinanggal na natin yung down payment, yun yung tutubo ng 6%. Okay? Monthly. So, what are the given? So, the value of RP is 1,850,000. Okay? And then the value of RR, which is the annual interest rate. Okay. So, ngayon meron tayong 6% dito. So, alin dito yung annual interest rate? Again, analyze natin mabuti. So, the annual interest rate here is 6%. Okay? So, 6%, once na kinonvert natin to into decimal, that is 0.06. So, bakit po hindi 15%? Again, yung 15% po ay for down payment. This is not for the interest rate. Okay? And then, the value of RT is 5 years or 5. And then, the value of RM, since this is compounded monthly, ang M natin ay 12. Okay? If the given is compounded monthly or if the amount is compounded monthly, ang value ng M natin is 12. If that is compounded quarterly, the value of our M is 4. And if that is compounded semi-annually, ang M natin ay 2 and kapag annually, ang M natin ay 1. Okay, again, M is the number of compounding period per year. So, ilang beses siyang tutubo sa loob ng isang taon. Okay, and then the value of our this is the interest rate per period. And to get the value of our the formula is I is equal to R over M. Okay, R natin is 0.06, then divided by ang M natin which is 12. So 0.06 divided by 12, the answer is 0.005. Okay? And then yung N natin is MT. Okay? Yung N natin, that is the number of compounding period. So, number of compounding period sa loob ng ilang taon to? 5 years. Okay? So, MT, ang M natin is 12. Ang T natin is 5. So, 12 multiply it by 5. The answer is 60. Okay, so ito yung mga gagamitin natin to solve for the down payment, the beginning balance, the repayments, and for the amortization. Okay. So, kailangan natin ng down payment. So, again, 15% down payment ang kinakailangan kapag installment basis. So, to solve for the down payment, just simply get the 15% of our original price or of our principal. So, ang 15% nito, so that is equal to 0.15 multiply by 1,850,000 pesos. Okay, so 0.15 times 1,850,000 pesos is equal to 277,500 pesos. Okay, so that is equal to 277,500. So this will be the down payment. Okay, ito yung paunang bayad natin. Okay, so next, kung meron tayong paunang bayad na 277,500, magkano na lang yung pinakautang mo? Okay, how much will be the remaining balance? And that remaining balance will serve as your beginning balance. Okay, to get the beginning balance, just simply subtract the principal by the down payment. Okay? Subtract lang natin yung principal, which is 1,850,000. So, ikakaltas lang natin or ibabawas lang natin yung dinown natin. Minus yung dinown natin, which is 277,500. Okay? And that is equal to 1,850,000 minus 277,500 is equal to 1,572,500. So, 1,572,500. Okay? So, ito na yung remaining balance. Ito na yung beginning balance mo. Okay? Dito po mag-start yung 6% interest compounded monthly. Okay, so now, kung ito na yung pinakautang mo, which is 1,572,500, magkano yung regular payment? Or magkano yung repayment? Magkano yung babayaran mo monthly? Okay, so, to solve for the repayments, the formula is R is equal to P over the quantity 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. Okay, so this will be the formula para ma-solve natin yung repayment or yung regular payment. So just simply substitute lang po kung ano yung mga given natin. Okay, but this time, yung value ng P natin, ito yung beginning balance. Okay, again, kapag po meron tayong denown, ibabawas natin yung denown natin doon sa original price, and then yung beginning balance or yung remaining balance, that will serve as your principal for the repayment if there is a down payment. Okay? So, sana po ay nagigets. Again, kapag meron tayong down payment, ikakaltas mo yung denown mo doon sa original price, and then, once na subtract na natin yon, yung magiging sagot doon will be the remaining balance or the beginning balance. And then yung beginning balance na yon, that will serve as your principal pagdating dito sa repayment. Okay po? So, just substitute lang po ang ating mga given. So, that is equal to yung P natin or the beginning balance kapag kinaltas na yung down payment is 1,572,500. Then over, so 1 minus 1 plus. Ano yung nakuha nating value ni I kanina? So yung I natin is 0.005. Okay, so that is 0.005 raised to negative. Ang N natin is 60. Okay, negative 60. Then over, again, yung I natin, which is 0.005. So that is equal to, so dito na tayo, 1,572,500 over 1 minus 1.005 raised to negative 60 over 0.005. So the answer is, so 1,572,500 divided by 1 minus 1.005 raised to negative 60. Then over 0.005. And that is equal to 30,400.83. Again, that is equal to 30,400.83 pesos. Okay? So, ito na po yung monthly repayment nyo or yung regular payment mo. So, ibig sabihin po, once na nag-avail ka nung car na yon, then nag-down ka ng 277,500, yung monthly na babayaran mo ay 30,400.83 hanggang sa mag-zero balance ka doon sa 60th term or 60th months since we have 60 months para mabayaran mo yung utang mo. Okay? So that will be the formula in solving the repayment. Okay, so next. Next is how much will be the total repayments. So kung meron kang 30,400.83 sa kada isang buwan or monthly, magkano yung total na babayaran mo sa loob ng 60 months? So why is it 60 months? Because you need to pay that debt or your loan sa loob ng 5 taon. And that is compounded monthly. Ang bawat isang taon ay may 12 months. So for 5 years, 12 multiply it by 5, that is 60. Okay? So kung 30,400.83 kada buwan sa isang buwan, magkano yung babayaran mo sa loob ng 60 months? Okay? So that is the total repayment. So again, for the total repayment, just simply multiply the repayment, so that is equal to the repayment, multiply it by the number of repayments. Okay, so i-multiply lang natin yung repayment which is 30,400.83. Multiply mo lang sa number of repayments which is 60 kasi nga po sa loob ng 60 months mo siya babayaran. Sa loob ng 5 taon mo siya babayaran. And since that is compounded monthly, 5 multiply it by 12, that is 60. Okay, and that is equal to, so 30,400.83. Ang ginamit ko ay yung rounded off na. Then, multiply it by 60. Pero pwede nyo rin pong gamitin yung direct na. Kung ano yung nakuha nating number dito kanina, pwede pong direct multiply it by 60. Okay, and that is equal to 1,824,049.8. So, 1,824,049.8 or 0.80. So, magkakaroon tayo ng discrepancy, no? Kung sakaling gagamitin natin yung rounded off at kung sakaling gagamitin natin yung original na value. Okay? Or yung hindi natin ginalaw or hindi natin ni-round off. But then, parehas naman ay tatanggapin. Okay? So, the total repayment, so ibig sabihin, sa loob ng 5 taon, yung total na babayaran mo ay 1,824,049.80. Hindi pa kasama yung dinown mo. Okay? So now, how much will be the total interest? So kung ito ang binayaran mo sa loob ng 5 taon, magkano yung tubo? Okay? Magkano yung interest? Magkano yung total na tinubo? So for the total interest, excluded na yung down. Again, excluded yung down. For the total interest, para makuha yung total interest, that is equal to total amount paid then minus the principal. Okay? Ang principal dito ay yung beginning balance mo. Excluded na yung down. Okay? Again, ang gagamitin natin ditong principal ay yung tinanggal na yung down payment. Okay? And that is equal to total amount paid. Magkano yung pinakabinayaran mo? 1,824,049.80. Then minus the principal or the beginning balance, which is 1,572,500. Okay? Ito yung nakuha natin kanina nung tinanggal natin yung down payment. And that is equal to, ayan, so minus 1,572,500 is equal to 251,549.80. So, 251,549.80. So, this is the total interest. Okay, ito yung total na tinubo doon sa loan mo. Okay? So, next, for the amortization schedule, paano ba natin gagawin itong amortization schedule? Actually, mahirap gawin ang amortization schedule kapag manual. Okay, so kaya naman natin siyang isolve using Excel. Pero mas maganda rin na alam nyo kung paano ba siya nakuha manually. Okay po, so for the beginning balance, so yung beginning balance nyo kung sakali pong merong down payment, so yung tinanggal na yung down, yun na yung magsisilbing beginning balance nyo for the first month. Okay? Pero kung sakaling walang down payment, kung magkano yung principal, yun yung beginning balance nyo for this month. Okay? So, nung tinanggal natin yung down payment, yung naging beginning balance natin ay 1,572,500. So, yun yung pinaka principal mo for the first month. Okay? And then yung repayment na nakuha natin kanina, which is 30,400.83. Okay, so yung end kasi natin dito ay 60. Ibig sabihin 60 periods. 60 months. Okay? In terms of months, 60 months po. So ibig sabihin, ang inaasahan mo or ang kailangan mo dito sa amortization schedule ay 60 months din. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hanggang sa makaabot ka ng 60. So again, medyo mahirap kapag manual mo siyang gagawin. Okay, so next. So yung repayment natin ay 30,400.83. So ito yung regular payment. Ito yung babayaran mo buwan-buwan hanggang sa makaabot ka sa 60th term or 60th month. So hanggang 60th month, so 30,400.83 pa rin yung babayaran mo. Okay, so next, magkano yung interest kada isang buwan? So, magkano yung interest natin kada isang buwan? So, to get the interest, simple interest lang naman ang ina-apply dito. So, PRT. Diba? PRT. So, principal multiplied by rate and then time. Okay. So, per month ang computation ha. So, yung principal natin per month since monthly yung given. So, yung principal natin, which is 1,572,500, yung rate mo, which is 0.06 rate, ayan, 0.06, and then yung time, since it is in terms of months, you need to divide it by 12. Okay? Again, since this is in terms of months, you need to divide it by 12. Okay, so now, PRT, yung beginning balance or yung principal, which is 1,572,500 times yung R natin, which is 0.06, and then times 1, since 1 month to, okay, over 12. So why is it 1 over 12? Or just simply divide it by 12. So sabi ko nga, it is in terms of months. So it should be in terms of years kasi. So that's why we divide it by 12. 12 months in a year. Okay, so 1 over 12. So lahat po yun. Okay, and that is equal to 7,862.50. So, yung interest natin is 7,862.50. 7,862.5 or 0.50. So, ito yung interest mo for the first month. Okay? And then yung principal, how to get the principal? So, for the principal, para po makuha yung principal, yung repayment minus interest lang. Okay? So, itong repayment kasi, kasama na dito yung interest. Yung binabayaran mo monthly, included na doon yung interest. So, to get the principal, this repayment, subtract mo lang yung interest. Okay? So, now, 30,400.83 minus yung interest mo, which is 7,862.50 is equal to 22,538.33. Okay, so again, 22,538.33. Okay, so this will be the principal. So, ibig sabihin, ito lang talaga yung part ng utang mo. Yung iba doon ay tubo na. Okay, and then the ending balance, to get the ending balance, that is beginning balance minus principal. Okay, to get the ending balance, that is beginning balance minus principal. So, ang beginning balance mo ay 1,572,500, then minus yung principal mo, which is 22,538.33. And that is equal to 1,549,961.67. So again, 1,549,961.67. So this will be the ending balance for this month. Okay, for the first month. So what will be the beginning balance for the second month? So ganun pa rin. So kung ano yung ending balance mo dito, siya na yung magsisilbing beginning balance mo sa second month. Okay? So again, kung ano yung ending balance mo dito sa previous month, siya yung magiging beginning balance mo sa next month. Okay po? So now, the beginning balance mo ngayon ay 1,549,961. So, 961.67. Repayment mo, yun pa rin, again, regular payment yon. Then, yung interest, PRT lang ulit. Ito, so PRT. So, ito na yon, 1,549,961.67 multiply by yung R natin, 0.06. And then, yung time natin, yung time po natin, 1 pa rin over 12. Kasi nga, per month yung count. Okay? Per month. So, 1 month lang din naman tong isang row na to. So, 1 month divided by 12 pa rin. Okay? And then, the interest now is 7,749.81. 7,749.81. And then, just continue the process. R over I for the principal, yung repayment mo, then minus yung interest mo for the second month, and then that will be the principal. And then yung ending balance mo, yung beginning balance mo para sa second month, then minus the principal mo for second month, and that will be the ending balance. And then, yung ending balance mo dito, yun yung magiging beginning balance mo for the third month. So, just continue the process hanggang sa umabot ka sa 60th month. Okay? And hanggang sa umabot ka sa zero balance. Okay, so hanggat maaari, kapag nasa process, hindi tayo nag-round off. Kaya mas maganda na Excel yung gagamitin natin para at least exact value yung makukuha natin. So, let's have an example. Ayan, try natin i-solve ito using Excel. Try natin i-check using Excel file. So, just simply input all the given. So, for the principal, kung magkano yung pinaka-original na price niya, which is 1,850,000 pesos. Okay? Careful lang sa pag-i-input. Okay. And then, yung down payment, ilang percent yung nire-require sa atin? So, 15%. So, ayan. So, yung down payment natin ay 277,500. Yun yung na-compute natin kanina. Okay? And then, the beginning balance or the remaining balance is 1,572,500, which is yun din yung na-compute natin kanina. So, ayan yun. Okay? And then, next, the interest rate. Ang interest rate natin ay 6%. And then, the number of compounding period per year, since that is compounded monthly, that is 12. Okay? And then, yung value ng T natin, ilang taon? 5 years. Okay, so yung N natin ay 60, ibig sabihin 60 periods, 60 months, since it is in terms of months. So, 60 months po natin siyang babayaran. Okay, and then next, the monthly repayments, yung nakuha natin kanina, which is 30,400.83. 30,400.83. Ayan. So, same lang. Okay? And then the total repayment, 1,824,049.82. So, yun din naman yung nakuha natin kanina, pero meron tayong discrepancy kasi nga po yung rounded off na value yung ginamit natin. Pero, tatanggapin pa rin naman. Okay? So, 1,824,49.82. Ang nakuha natin ay 1,824,49.80. Again, may discrepancy since ang ginamit natin ay yung rounded off na po. Okay? And then, the total amount of interest or the total interest paid is 251,549.80, which is yun din naman yung nakuha natin. Okay, may discrepancy lang dahil nga po yung rounded off yung ginamit natin to solve for the interest. Okay, so check natin yung amortization schedule. So, naipakita ko na kung paano siya kinuha manually. So, ito yung amortization schedule natin sa ating Excel. Okay, so yung beginning balance is 1,572,500 for the first month, and then yung sumunod na buwan ay 1,549,961.67, which is just the same lang naman. Okay, and then yung interest, ayan, 7,862.50, and then yung sumunod na buwan, 7,749.81, which is same pa rin. Okay, and then yung principal, tulad lang naman, and then yung ending balance, same lang din yung nakuha natin. Again, kaya nyo siyang kunin, kaya nyo gumawa ng amortization schedule using Excel, pero mas maganda pa rin na alam nyo kung paano siya kunin manually. Okay, hanggang sa umabot ka ng 60th term, since 60 yung value ng N natin. Okay, 60th term, and then 0 balance ka na. Okay, pero kung sakali, ma'am, paano po kapag hindi siya aabot ng 60? Okay, paano po kapag 3 years lang? Sa loob ng 3 years lang. So, ibig sabihin, 36 terms lang. Okay, ibig sabihin po, yung pang 36, doon na matatapos yung amortization schedule mo. Yung 37 to 60, pwede mo na siyang i-delete. Okay? So, kasi po, 0 balance ka na sa pang 36. Okay. And paano naman, ma'am, kapag umabot siya ng 6 years? Ibig sabihin, 72 terms yung kailangan ko. Okay. Ang meron kasi ako dito ay hanggang 60 lang. Add lang tayo ng 12 rows. Ayan. So, 6. So, add lang tayo. Hanggang umabot ka ng 72. Ayan, sobra tayo. Okay? And then next, Eto, click mo lang, then highlight lang tayo pababa hanggang sa 72 na term, 72 na months. Yan, so click lang tayo ulit. Copy nyo lang din. Okay, so blanco pa to, ibig sabihin hindi pa nako-compute. Okay, so next, copy mo lang ulit. And then yan. So since 72 yung terms, ibig sabihin yung pang 72 na months, or yung pang 72 na month, magiging zero balance ka na. Ibig sabihin lang po, nag-amortize na yung inyong utang. And that's it. Okay, so that is how we create the amortization schedule. Again, for the amortization schedule, pabawas ng pabawas yung utang hanggang sa mag-zero balance ka na. And I hope nakatulong yung aking video. Again, if you have a question, gamitin nyo lang yung comment section. And gagawin ko ng paraan para masagutan yon. Thank you so much. Have a good day.